Couple of little details that I've really been practicing from the mount that have changed my game when it comes to armbar our partner. So we're here 90% of the time, our partner's crossing his arms and protecting himself, making it really hard for him to push or pin his arm. One thing that can be really easy though is when I walk my hips up under his elbow. Not an easy task though because my partner's strong, right? Sometimes even just sliding my knees up can become hard. So I'm gonna grab the top of his head and pull it sideways. Okay, now I'm gonna drive my knee to his ear. This makes the arm weak because the spine's not straight. When his spine's not straight, right, it makes his arm much weaker when I drive my knee up. Is it uncomfortable for your partner? Yes, it sucks, but they won't die. Now from here, my bottom leg is gonna tuck all the way heel to ear. If my partner's defending his arms, right, maybe he's grabbing his bicep, look, I need to isolate this arm to the other side of my hip. So I'm gonna push up on his wrist, push his elbow, and then tuck it into my pocket. Now, all my weight's sitting on his sternum. Not on my knees back here, not on my front knee leaning forward, all over his sternum. Now, I hug my arm, or hug his arm, grab my shoulder, kickstand. Slide my knee over his ear, sit back heels together, leaning towards the legs as I pinch my knee and put my feet flat. Slowly fall back until he taps, and then we do it again. All right, so he's defending himself, his arms are tight. Whatever side I want to go to, right? I'm gonna pull his head to that side with my forearm and my hand and slide my knee to his ear. Now, my weight's still on my partner, but I'm keeping everything tight as I circle my leg over. Try to isolate out the arm. If he gives it to me easy, perfect. If his arms are switched, I need to start fighting this arm out and pushing it to my hip. Hug the arm, kickstand, lean my weight forward, slide my leg over, knees tight, heels tight, control the wrist when I fall back, and do the tap. Any questions? Yeah.
Sometimes I struggle with that S mount, getting there with that second leg, you know, my flexibility, especially my hips. Can I pick his head up and help me?
Yes, absolutely. So when you're here, right, and you side up, sometimes getting it super tight, lifting the head to create a pillow helps it where I can lean my way. I know the flexibility is hard to get that full hip flexor motion. It's not so much about having to be flexible here as it is about getting my knee up and keeping his elbows tight to flip my leg over. Now from here, isolating out the arm and attack. Good question. Good. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.